Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon bunny. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a circle for one eye, and then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle over here for the other eye. Then I'm going to draw two circles inside each one, and then I'm just going to color in the inside of it. So I'm going to draw a circle up here and a circle down here, and then just color in the inside of it. Now, right in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little line that goes across, and then a little V shape underneath it just to make the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it around and come right up to the nose for a little cheek. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just go down, kind of curl around, and come right up to the nose. Now I want this bunny to look really happy, so I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to curve around and come up. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line right here for the tongue. Then right underneath there, I'm just going to draw a little curved line for a chin. Now we want to give our bunny some whiskers, so I'm just going to draw a couple little lines right over here, and then over here as well. Now, starting right above the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. I'm going to put two little kind of pointy lines for some hair, and then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out, and then it's going to kind of curve out and then come in, just like this. I don't want a pointy shape, I want it to be kind of rounded. Now this next ear, I'm going to make this one go up instead of out. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then when I get to the top, I'm going to curve out and then come back in. Now for the inside of the ears, I'm going to draw a little curved line right at the bottom. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go up, and then it's just going to come back down. It's going to follow the shape of the ear. So just kind of go up, and then just kind of come back down. Now for the face. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come in. And then same thing over here, just go out and then just curve it in. Now I want this bunny to look like it's kind of jumping in the air. So first I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come back like this for an arm. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just kind of go out, and then just kind of curve it back for the arm. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for the body, and then another one right here. And then I'm going to draw the legs. So right here for this leg, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a nice big oval shape like this for the bottom of the foot. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up here. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves around here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a big oval shape. It's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to come around like this. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right here. Then, right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line, and then a little curved line right here. And then over here, I'm just going to add a little kind of bumpy line for the tail. On the stomach of the rabbit, I'm just going to add a nice little oval shape, just so we can kind of have a little bit of separation. We can add a little bit more colors in there. And then last, what I want to do is I want to give him some paws. So I'm going to add a little circle right here on each one, on each arm. And then I'm going to add a smaller circle right around it, about 3 of them, just for some little toes. And then I want to do the same thing on the foot. So I'm going to add, this time, a big long oval on each one. And then just do the same thing. Add about 3 little circles or oval shapes right above it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon bunny. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.